welcome back. This is Aisha here. Yeah, welcome to another vlog, a day in my life. Well, I don't know if this vlog will be 2 days in my life. I have two packages actually. The first package is for a brand, while the other package is for my birthday. I don't know if I'll be able to pick it because currently I have bank issues and I'm going to the bank now. I plan to go to the market because I need to get jean trousers. Well, I found this store on IG, the undies store, which I told them about my undies. They are going to get it for me. See you guys later. I hope you can clearly hear me. I'm really straining my voice to shout. I plan to get a microphone for my videos by God's grace. I hope I have money to get that. See you guys soon. Bye. Being a YouTuber in Nigeria is crazy. Like, people look at you as if you are mad. Well, I'm under this tree. People are also consider me as if I'm mad. I'll wait you guys later when I can talk freely. Bye. After long hours, that's work. Now it's time to go to the market. Let's go there. Thank you, my love. Thank you. Hi fam, welcome back. I just got back from the market now. I've not taken my bait. I want to just do a mini unboxing. Guys, I'm so annoyed. Like, the things I used to buy for 2,000, 2,500, but 3,000, not like 5,000, 5,500 now. Let me not say the price because there are some things they don't see in public. But let's just unbox the things I was able to get. Yeah, let's start with this nylon. I want this video to be as fast as possible because I need to bake. I'm sweaty. Yeah, this nylon has scarf. You know, if you know me, you know as a Muslim I suck for scarf. Like, scarf are my thing. This is one of the scarf. This is two. Like, I love the details. I don't know, let's zoom. I hope you are zoomed. Yes, I love the details of the scarf. Like, you guys know me, I like shine. I like shine. I suck for all the stuff. So yeah, I got 3 different scarves. Yeah, I got this cute top. Like, I know if my mom is going to watch this video, she'll be like, wow, that's my girl. I got this cute top. My mom made me love this kind of top. It has this waist, whatever. I don't know if I'll be using it with this, but this cute top. I think the day I'm going to wear it, I'm just going to I don't know, Shadi, I'm going to wear it. I'll let you guys know. I'll make a video that day by God's grace. And I got this Aphrodite. This is the most annoying thing today. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I just don't wear 36, but I got a 36. I wear 34. Do you know why I got a 36? The last Aphrodite I bought, it's here. Most time they wear out, or most time their color fade. But the last ones I got, they teared. the bum bum, the hair. I was like, maybe because they are tight, because I like buying trousers that are tight, so that whenever I wear them for like sometimes they get bigger and expand. But these ones I got bigger sizes then. If you want to make it here. So I love this Aphrodite, but guess what? 5,000. If you are a fan of Aphrodite, you will know that it's not worth it. Not like I love Aphrodite. The one I'm wearing for this trouser, this trouser I'm wearing is also Aphrodite. But this one, I think I got it 2,500 or 3,000. If it's not ending of last year, beginning of this year, I got it 2,500 or 3,000. Around that niche. This one 5,000. I was even like the 5,000 are big because of Aphrodite though. I was big. I was so angry. Yeah, okay, you guys saw the stuff I went to eat at the eatery. So this is another side. This one is also scarf. There's also a scarf. This one, there are 2 scarves. It's the packaging that are different because I got it from different place. Yeah. Sorry. This is the details. There's 2 scarves. There's red Aphrodite. Same Aphrodite, red Aphrodite, and there's another black Aphrodite. Actually, I don't want to get a blue Aphrodite because I already have blues. I already have blue Aphrodite, but the main color I wanted to buy was white. The white they had was small, so I want to get my size because I'm tired. Yeah, guys, that is the end of this video. I'm so tired. I want to take my bath now. I will go for Jumat. It's almost time. If not, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you same time next week or whenever I upload a vlog. Cause Remy, what's your baby? You know what? Thank you guys. I love you guys and thank you for all your wishes, and I think you've always been there. Yeah, you can actually watch my previous videos to know more about me and more about my lifestyle. You know the vibe, guys. Bye.